Hi everyone, it's Miss Southworth again. This week we have 2 stories for each grade because it's early spring. I have a special book I want to share with you about baby animals that are born in spring. I hope that you look all around outside if you get a chance to this week and in the next couple of weeks and see all the life starting to blossom and come alive around us. Little insects, things on trees and plants coming out of the ground. You can lift up a rock and see under there. So our story is called We Love Spring, Baby Animals Are Born by Dolores Saltaire. Many animals have babies in spring. Deer have babies in spring. Baby deer are called fawns. They have white tails. Baby geese are called goslings. Baby chickens are chicks. They are very soft. Baby cows are called calves. They love milk. Baby bears are called cubs. Baby rabbits are bunnies. Some goats are born in spring. Baby goats are kids. Some other words to know: calves, fawn, goslings. Have a great day and keep your eye open for all the different signs of spring.